Starting out in trading can be pretty tricky, right? There are so many self-proclaimed experts and seasoned traders out there who know exactly what you should do. You spend time listening to them but end up with zero benefit. Why? Because everything is all over the place without a clear plan. So today we're gonna break it down clear and simple. I'm going to show you how to confidently make a daily income of $900, and guess what? It's totally stress-free. And the best part, you can start with just 10 bucks. Stick with me till the end of this video and I'll share with you the most effective income generating technique.
Time to go.
Hey there, future trading pros! I'm Evelyn, a professional trader with over 5 years of experience. It's been quite a while since I fell in love with binary options, and get this! Last year alone, I made over $1.5 million in this market. But you know what I'm really proud of? Building a community of like-minded people on Telegram. We're over 25,000 strong now, and every day I help everyone collectively earn a whopping $623K. Most of the members are newbies in trading, and they thank me daily for making their lives better and sharing the opportunity to earn a real daily income. And you can do the same. Just hop into my Telegram channel and don't forget to shoot me a message. Check out the link to the channel in the video description and in the pinned comment. Alright, let's dive right into our life hacks for getting started with trading. Here's a super important thing to remember. First, psychological mindset. It's crucial to embrace the idea that you'll be making money by investing money. But at the same time, it's super important to always keep your cool. After a few successful trades, many people start trading like crazy and end up losing all their money. Make trading a habit. It's like learning to ride a bike. You're better off riding a short distance each day, gradually getting used to it. Once you're steady on the saddle, easily covering 1-2 kilometers, only then you should aim for longer distances. In short, set a clear trading period for yourself. Starting with 5 minutes is fine, and you can gradually increase your distance. Trade every day, preferably at the same time. Most importantly, be prepared that you might lose money, and that's okay. The market is unpredictable, but the key is to keep a level head and stay firmly in the saddle. Sometimes you'll freak out and try to recover losses, but that's a losing strategy.
Act as if. Do you understand what that means?
Treat losses as the most instructive experiences. Analyze, why did you lose? Each time you trade, approach it with a positive attitude and in good health. You need a sharp mind and calm demeanor. Smash that like button for this video as I share with you these essential trading tips. Life hack number 2, choosing and learning about the trading platform. I recommend Pocket Option because it's super user-friendly in every way. Plus, I've had over 3 years of trading experience with it and it's never let me down. Start by exploring the interface. Figure out where the settings are, how to set the trade time, options for candlesticks, and so on. Try setting it up yourself. Here we have our trade time frame. I usually trade on the 1-minute time frame. It's always a good idea to click around, explore different options, get a feel for it. Next, we select the candlestick time frame. I typically go for 30 seconds. Sure, you can match 1-minute trades with 1-minute candles, but increasing the detail of the chart helps a lot. It makes navigating trades so much easier. Now, the fun part, picking currency pairs. You'll want to go for those with the highest percentages. The Aussie dollar and the Canadian dollar are at 92%, and the Aussie and the franc, 92% as well. The Aussie and the New Zealand dollar, the Aussie dollar and the US dollar are also at 92%. These percentages impact your payout on a winning bet, but keep in mind, these rates can fluctuate over time, going up or down. And now, the most crucial part of setting up, indicators. They are the lifesavers that help analyze the chart and shape your trading strategy. Today, we're going with Bollinger Bands and a rune. Stick around till the end of this video to get the lowdown on these indicators.
Okay.
What do you think? Is it important to understand how indicators work? What are they based on? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's see how important theory is for our community. Life hack number 3, your first trades. It's super important to dive into trading hands-on. It's less scary than you think, and you'll soon realize how easy it is to start making money. But remember, start small and don't forget our first life hack. Define your trading period clearly. Now, let me show you how binary options trading works. I'm starting with just $11, a totally safe amount for beginners. The Aussie and the dollar. The price hit rock bottom, and we're expecting a reversal. The trend's about to change, so we go higher. Bang! Just like that. Even in tough spots, we usually hit our target. And now we are up $21. Awesome. Here we are starting to see the market consolidate. Basically sideways movement. So after a series of green candles, we expect a bounce, meaning a reversal with a series of red candles. We wait, betting lower. And yes, nice. Our balance is now at $40, but we're just getting warmed up. The Aussie and the Swiss franc. We've got another new sideways move here. The candles are about to mirror those green ones. Pressing the lower button. Perfect. We've hit $77, moving swiftly and confidently. Great. Let's move on to the next trade. Wow, we're seeing high volatility in the candles. Clearly, the upward trend isn't over yet, and the momentum of green candles will continue. We're going higher in this trade. Boom! Fantastic! We are at $148, and of course, this isn't the limit. Just think, in 4 minutes, we turned $11 into $148. You got to try trading on your own too. And remember, it's super important to learn about new effective strategies. My videos are here to help you out. Check out this one where I make $3,397 in just 10 minutes using a super profitable strategy. Click here or follow the link in the description to watch this video. Life hack number 4. A positive experience. To kickstart your journey to becoming a successful trader, it's super important to have a positive experience right from the get-go.
So they can cut the chain off the door, but they can't make us play.
This not only boosts your motivation to grow in trading, but also helps solidify that habit we talked about in our first life hack. But here's the catch. If you're a newbie, trading might feel like navigating a complex maze, and you definitely want to start off on the right foot. So what's the game plan? For this, I recommend joining my Telegram channel. With a vibrant community of over 25,000 subscribers, we are achieving remarkable results. Every day, we're making an impressive $623,000 together. I personally walk my subscribers through using Pocket Option, breaking down which buttons to press, all detailed, step by step, and entirely free of charge. They simply copy my trades because they know my win rate is a whopping 89.5%. Which means the risks are super low. The positive feedback from our members is overwhelming, and I'm regularly graced with heartfelt messages of gratitude. Take a look at some of this amazing feedback.
I was almost like giving up of trading, and then I found Evelyn.
I really appreciate your help, the way you are helping us to earn money.
You make it easy. I don't know how you make that.
And then I was able to make real money, actually. And I'm so happy for it.
Trading and signals aren't as complicated as they might seem. You'll just copy my trades and start earning up to $900 a day. Easy peasy. Add yourself to my Telegram channel and shoot me a private message. Just click the first link in the description or the pinned comment under this video. Let's keep rolling. Life hack number 5. Reinforce theory with practice. By the way, I promised to tell you about the indicators in our strategy. So here it is. So first up, Bollinger Bands. This little gem reflects the current price deviations of a financial asset. It's constructed with upper and lower boundaries, creating a corridor around the moving average. The lower the market volatility, the smaller the deviation, and the narrower the corridor. Next, let's talk about the Arun indicator. It's a technical indicator that helps traders spot the formation of a trend, its direction, and even trend reversals in the financial markets super early on. Hope this boosts your understanding. Remember, to really get these indicators down, you've got to trade with them in real life. Practice makes perfect, right?
Goddamn right.
If you missed that last video, no worries. You can always catch up. Plus, you can soak up extra theory from my videos. And then, voila, you'll keep discovering killer profitable strategies. Like in this video where I rake in a cool $10,551. Watch, learn, trade. Click here or check out the link in the description.
Okay.
Awesome. That was a fab quick session, packed with loads of great info. So there you have it, all the life hacks laid out right in front of you. Start implementing them in your trading to smartly earn your way to success. like right now. I'm super excited to see your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Invite your friends to join my channels. Let's build a huge community of traders. Love you all, kisses, bye my kittens, and see you in my cozy little Telegram channel.